Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel and the new car series. So I've went through great lengths blacking out the top, dechroming the trim at the bottom. I even have a few videos of dechroming the window trims. But I've got one part left that I have to dechrome, and that's the car logo. And I want to turn it from this to this for only this amount of money. Really simple. It's something I've seen online and I wanted to test it out myself. Let's go. Now in a previous video, I showed you guys how to remove your chrome using these caps that I purchased online. But they don't have any caps or sorts for the text like the BYD logo or the M6 logo, so you need to use elastic spray instead. What you need to do is give your car a good wash first, focusing on the areas which you are going to spray on, such as the logo, making sure that you get all the dirt from between the letters out. And then you need to make sure that it is bone dry. Here I'm using a cloth followed by tissue paper to suck up all the moisture that is in between the text. And once you're done, you can begin masking. Here I'm using normal painter's tape, and I'm leaving a ½ inch gap between the text and the tape. You don't have to mask right up to the letters. Trust me, this will work. So I'm done with the masking. I've got this product called elastic rubberized peelable dip. So I'm going to be using this to spray the car. It comes in like Plasti Dip. There are different brands out there. I'm using this one I found online. I leave the description. I leave the link in the description down below where you can find this product. Right, just a thin film. You want to mist it. That's it. That's one coat. So you walk away for 10 minutes and come back. I'll be doing the BYD logo as well. Alright, like the first one, just a mist. You don't want to go on too thick. Okay, it's been 10 minutes now. This looks pretty much dry to touch. I'm not making any fingerprints there. So I'm going to add in my second coat on both emblems right now. So another gentle misting on top, the side, from this side, down here as well. Try to spray at different angles so you get everything inside. There we go. Right guys, this is going to be the third coat, and this time I'm going to put it on a little bit heavier, probably until you can see a shine, a wet shine over the logo. Try to go from different angles, maybe from the top, next one you come from the bottom. You get what I mean? So guys, so it's been about 3 hours that I've left this to dry. I've covered it so that I could drive around without it getting all messed up, but I let it cure for a bit. I'm going to start peeling away the surrounding plastic and then showing you how to remove the masking. The surrounding paint should come off, leaving the BYD logo. Right, as you can see, it's stretching. Alright, I'm going to go up here, take that off from the logo. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is wizardry and witchcraft. Okay, you want to be careful right around the inside edges, peeling it really slowly and control the peel. And I have a toothpick, and this would help me reach these little innards right here, like this one. So I got a bit of paint on that end of the stick, and just gonna start rubbing it inside until I create a little hole. And I want to get under the lip something, and I start twisting. A little twisting motion, it should stick and lift. So you do that, kind of able to get everything from inside the hole, like that. See, check it out. And then this side, try not to lose that edge. Roll it in, roll it in, roll it in, roll it in, pick, roll it in, roll it in, roll it in, and there you go. Look at that. That's how you pick out the insides. And once you're done, it should look something like this. Don't worry if you get a bit of overspray. If you see a bit of specks, it comes off really easy with a sponge, but that's right now. Once it cures, it will be a little bit more resilient. And yeah, talking about curing, give this thing about 24 to 48 hours to cure. Do give it a shot. It's really, really, really simple. Like that tip, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.